Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking Excel 2G inventory. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and many more courses. Please contact me if you need help. Any exam, any quizzes, any assignment that you want to read for a complete course, you can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is that Excel 2G inventory. And here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. And question one is that open the Excel workbook. Basically, in this question, we will download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download easily from your portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this my file here now. Okay, open the Excel workbook. You can see this. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download easily from your portal. Now moving on, question number 2, change the theme to slice, rename sheet 1 as bulbs, add sheet 2 as trees, add the make, and then make the bulb sheet the active sheet. If the theme is not available, click browser for themes, navigate to your downloads file and select slice theme. Okay, basically in this question we will have to change the theme to slice and then rename sheet 1 as bulbs and then sheet 2 as trees and then make to bulb sheet to active sheet. Okay, first is that change the theme to slice. Moving on, Excel workbook, go to the page layout, go to sheet 1 and then go to the page layout and click on themes and select slice themes. Here is slice. Okay, this is done now. And then rename sheet 1 as bulbs. You can copy this name bulbs. Okay, and then go to the sheet 1 and right click on this sheet 1 and rename as bulbs and then press enter. It will be rename sheet and then rename the sheet 2 as trees. You can copy this name trees. Okay, and then go to the Excel workbook and right click on sheet 2 and rename as trees. Okay, this is done now. And then make the bulb sheet to active sheet. In this step we will have to active the bulb sheet. Okay, now moving on question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 3 is that to the right of column B, insert 2 new columns to create new blank columns C and D by using flash fill in the 2 new columns. Split the data in column B into a column for atom hash in column C and categories in column D. Basically in this question we will have to insert the 2 new column right of column B and create a new blank column C and D. Right click on column B, right click on column C and click on insert and right click on column D and click on insert. Column C and D will be inserted. You can see this 2 column created now. By using flash fill in the 2 new columns, split the data in column B into column for atom hash in column C, categories in column D. Okay, atom hash in column C and then go to the flash fill, click on OK. Click on flash fill and click on OK and then click on column D and then atom hash, right, and type categories. Okay, column C is atom hash and then column D is categories and then click on the 1239 and go to the fill tab and then click on flash fill. Okay, this will be flash fill in all column and then click on daffodils in column D15 and click on flash fill and then it will be fill the columns D. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. In question 4, tap at a mesh as the column title in column C and categories as the column. Okay, at a mesh is the column title as the column title and column C and categories as the column title and column D. Okay, categories as the column title and column D is also added. Okay, delete column B by using the cut and paste the commands. Delete column B and cut paste. Right click on column B and delete this. It will delete column B and then by using cut and paste the command cut column C categories and paste into column G. Okay, right click on column C and right click on column C and then cut it. Okay, cut it and paste in column G. Okay, control V, it will be paste. And then deleted the empty column C, apply auto width to the column A to F. Okay, right click on column C and delete it. Column C will be deleted and then apply auto fit to the column A to F. You can select column A to F and then go to the format tab and then click on auto fit. Okay, go to the format tab. Okay, and click on auto fit column width. Okay, it will be auto fit column width. It's done now. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question 5. In question 5, display the trees worksheet and then repeat steps 3 and 4 on this worksheet. Basically, this question we will have to display the trees worksheet and then repeat steps 3 and 4 on this worksheet. Okay, right click on column C and then it will be inserted. Okay, right click on column C and then column will be inserted. Okay, step 3 and 4 and click on tab 1783. Okay, go to the fill tab, go to the flash fill. It will be flash fill in column C and click on column D and then enter nuts trees and then go to the home tab, go to the fill tab and then flash fill nut trees and click on fill flash fill. It will be flash fill in column D. Okay, column 4, then tap at a mesh as the column title in the column C and then categories as the column title in the column D. Okay, column C is that atom hash and then column D is categories title, and you can copy this categories and then column D title is categories. Okay, you can paste here categories. Okay, delete column B by using the cut and paste command. Cut column C categories and paste into column G. Okay, right click on column B and delete this column. Okay, this column B will be deleted and now right click on column C. You can cut this and paste into column G. Okay, and cut and paste into column G. Okay, now we will have to delete the empty column C. Right click on column C and delete this empty column. Column C will be also deleted now. Okay, now and then read the column. Okay, apply auto fit to the column A to F. You can select column A to F and then go to the home tab, go to the format tab and then click auto fit with the column. Okay, this will be auto fit with column. This is done now. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, make the following categories in each of the 2. You can see total question of this assignment is 21. Sorry. Okay, customer 6 is that make the following calculations in each of the two worksheet without grouping the sheets in cell B4. Enter the function to sum the quantity in stock data and then apply comma style with zero decimal place to the result. And in column B5 to B8, enter formulas to calculate the average, median, lowest, and highest retail price and then apply the accounting format. Basically, in this question we will have to the column B4 enter a function to sum the quantity in stock data. Okay, then we will have to apply a comma cell style on this and then we will set with the zero decimal places with comma cell style. Okay, then in cell B5 to B8 enter formula to calculate the average, median, lowest. Okay, now click on column B4. Moving on Excel workbook, each of the sheet. Okay, go to the trees and click on column B4. Then we will apply sum function, enter a function, sum function is press is equal to, then it is enter sum function. Okay, then A15 to A42 and then press enter. It will be find sum of total atom in stock. You can see 3503 in total atom in stock and then apply comma style with zero decimal places to the result. Okay, go to the home tab, go to the number group, apply comma style, go to the number group and then decimal places will be 0. You can see this 3503. Then in cell B5 to B8 enter formulas to calculate the average, median, lowest and highest radial price and then apply the counting number format. Average prices is equal to average function and into radial prices D15 to D42 and then press enter. It will be find average price and then median prices is equal to median function, okay, into D15 to D42. Okay, then press enter. It will be find median and then lowest prices main function is equal to main function into D15 to D42. Okay, then press enter. It will be find lowest function, highest max function is that into max function is equal to max function into D15 to D42. Okay, it will be find all this values here. You can see this and then apply counting number format and apply counting number format. You can select this all and go to the home tab, click on number group, apply counting number format. Okay, this is done now. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 7. In question number 7, in each of the two worksheet make the following calculation without grouping the sheets. In cell beta enter a count f function to determine how many different types of tulips are in stock and then bulb sheet and how many different types of evergreens in stock and the trees worksheets. Okay, basically in this question we will have to enter a function, count a function cell B10 is equal to and press is equal to evergreen count a function to determine how many different types of tulips in stock and the bulb sheets, how many different types of evergreens in stock on the trees worksheet. You can contact me for your assignment, exam quiz and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Okay, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my screen. Now click on cell B10 is equal to count a function. Okay, count a function into F15 to F42 and then press enter. Sorry, this is F15 F42 and for finding two labs. Okay, then press enter. Okay, this is shown value. And how many stock trees worksheet, how many evergreens are in stock. Then click on sorry evergreens is equal to counter function. Okay, into F15 to F42 and then commas inverted comma evergreens and then press enter. It will be find evergreens in stock. Okay, this is done now. I have done 7 question of this assignment right now. You can see this. Okay, I have done half assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Please contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, your quiz help, or you want to read for complete course. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you a plus grade in your all assignment, all exam, all quiz, and complete course. I am handling many students' courses. I will provide you professional work, no plagiarism. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.